God and failure are not synonymous, which means you cannot use God and failure in the same sentence. Or better yet, you cannot use God and failure interchangeably, because God cannot fail. I want that to sink down the vials of your spirit this morning. Help me about the other number. Say, God cannot fail. Of the reasons, my friends, that God cannot fail is because God and his words are inseparable. So because God and his word are one and the same, and because his words cannot fail, it is safe to say that our God cannot fail. What this means is that if God speaks a word to you, or if God sends you an instruction, you can go to bed with your eyes closed, knowing fully well that the God who promised is big enough to bring his words to pass. Somebody shout, God cannot fail.